This lesson is on reserve for capital expense. And again, I know this sounds like it might be really complicated, but it's actually really straightforward. I'm going to explain it. So reserve for capital expense is the amount that the hotel sets aside every month for capital for future spend. So typically, the reserve for capital expense will be based on the management agreement, and it's typically between 4 and 5% of revenue. So if this month the revenues in the hotel were $1 million, we would be setting aside $40,000 to $50,000 for the reserve for capital expense. And the word reserve is really important because we're basically taking that money out of the operating accounts and we're putting it into a special bank account so that when we do renovations in the hotel, the money's already there, it's already reserved. And typically the management company, the hotel, control the reserve for FF&E bank account, not the owners.